Hey guys, today on Tracie Reed Designs I'm going to be doing an open cup pour, so let's jump in and get started. Hey everybody! So today I'm working on a 12-inch round canvas and I made up some really pretty colors here. I used folk art white pearl and mixed them in with yellow, phthalo turquoise, and pink, and I got these really pretty pearly pastel colors. And I also have a little bit of silver as well I'm going to add in. And then I'm going to use Payne's Gray to start, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that in first. Hey everybody, so the painting is dry and I wanted you to see how cool it looks. I love doing open cup pours. I love all the detail that I get from these, but sometimes the middle just looks a little So I thought I would try a string pull in the middle, and it really turned out great. I love that it looks like a flower. All these colors are really pretty, kind of soft. And I just think it turned out really great. I'm super happy with my results of this one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. And if you think you know someone that might like this, go ahead and share this with them. And have a great day.